Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to see recently viewed pins on Pinterest. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone and make sure you're logged in to your account. For this example, view a few pins without liking or saving them. You can open this car photo, go back, then view this one, and maybe one more pin. Now you have a few pins that you viewed but didn't save, which is exactly the situation we're trying to fix. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on your profile picture again at the top left to open your Pinterest settings page. Once you're inside the settings, look for an option called Refine Your Recommendations and tap on it. This will open a new section where Pinterest shows your recently viewed pins. Here, you'll be able to see all the pins you viewed, whether it was earlier today or a few days ago. The most recently viewed pins will appear at the top of the list, making them easy to find. As you can see, the pins viewed earlier now show up right here. And that's it. So that is how you can see your recently viewed pins on Pinterest. So that's all for this video. Thanks.